In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to achieve this stagger echo delay effect in Cavalry. I'm going to break this into just 2 steps. First, I'll show you how to duplicate a single text layer and its rectangle, and then I'll show you how to add the stagger delay rotation onto it. Okay, so just be aware as well that I am not going to show you how to create the text layer, and I am not going to show you how to create this rectangle. Okay, so let's jump in. I've got my composition open, I've got a text layer sitting here, and it's sitting on top of a rectangle, and I've just grouped them together, ready to go. So I'm going to make sure that my group is selected, and to create the duplicates, I'm just going to come up to this button at the top here and click create a duplicate. It's actually create a duplicator, I should say it right. Okay, so if I select this, we can see that upon creation we have some duplicates already. I'm going to keep it on grid, but I'm going to change the X count to 1, and I'm going to change the Y to 8. So that's got 8 different counts now, and I'm gonna, for both of them, just bring this size down to 0 on the width and height, and I'll leave it there for now. Then I'm going to go to this plus sign and just click on behaviors, and I'm going to search for stagger and drag it into my scene window. Okay, so with the duplicator selected, I'm going to drag this stagger all the way over into the shape rotation of the duplicator window, and you can see we have some movement. And if I click on this stagger tool, so we can change these values to get different results. So I might make an animation on 0, and I think I'm going to come out to 40 and go up to, I don't know, like 200. And then I'm going to bring it back down back to the beginning. You can actually select these keyframes, right click, and just click loop, and it will loop forever. And I guess if I change the strength, we can maybe see how quickly it does it. Yeah, there we are. If you want, you can come in and change the, you can either select this or not, change the scale of it so that you can see all of the writing. And you could also come in and just change the rotation on here as well to have it move around like it did in the preview. Make it a little bit longer. There we have it.